The Accounts tool will allow you to visualize all of your accounts in one place to see a complete picture of your finances. On the left, you'll see a summary column. This column shows summaries of different account types, including checking, savings, and credit cards. Under each type is a total balance that includes all accounts of that type. On the right is a list of every account you've added, grouped by the types, along with balances for each. Click an account type on the left column and notice all of the accounts that fall under that group will appear on the right. If you haven't added an account of a particular type, clicking on the summary will prompt you to add a new account. Click All Accounts at the top of the summary panel to reset the column to showing all of the accounts you've added. To provide an accurate picture of your finances, we recommend adding accounts from every institution you have a financial relationship with. To add an account, simply click Add an Account in the upper right to open the Add Accounts window. Here you will see a list of popular financial institutions. If you see your institution on the list, simply select it to continue. If not, click the search bar and enter the name of the institution you're looking for. You can also search by its web address. Once you find your institution, select it from the list and enter the requested login credentials, and answer any additional security questions. Keeping in mind, it may take a few minutes for your new account to connect. Some accounts will need to be added manually. Property like a home or car, cash that isn't in a bank, or a credit card that isn't showing up are all critical to your finances and helpful in balancing debt to improve your net worth. To add a manual account, click Add an Account at the top right of the Accounts tab. Select Add a Manual Account at the bottom of the window. Then click an account type. You can choose from the list or select Other. Depending on what you select, the Details window will open. Simply enter the details and click Save. After you add an account, you can easily view various account details, like recent transactions or your account balance. Simply click on the account you wish to view, and an activity window will show you all of your recent transactions. Scroll to the bottom of the window and click View More to expand the results. You can also see your account history, meaning your monthly debits from and credits to that account over the last 12 months by clicking on the bar graph icon in the upper right. Click the back arrow in the upper left to return to the main page. There are several actions you can take on an account. To open the Actions menu, select an account and navigate to the ellipses in the upper right corner to see a list of actions. You can edit account details, mark an account as a business, to tag all the transactions from that account as a business, mark an account as a duplicate, mark an account as closed, or even hide an account. Click Edit Details to nickname your account to something that is meaningful to you. Update your account type, your interest rate, and more. Simply click any of the fields, update the information, and click Save. If you don't want an account to be used in your automated budget or reporting, you can choose to hide that account. Select Hide to confirm. Your hidden accounts will still be visible to you at the bottom of the accounts under a Hidden Accounts category. Now, you can unhide an account at any time by selecting the account to open the Details window, clicking on the ellipses in the upper right, and selecting the Unhide button. Duplicate accounts can appear when existing account connections are altered, such as when a financial institution changes the way that it names an account in their system, or when a lost or stolen credit card is replaced. This type of duplication can be fixed by merging the accounts to ensure all data is retained. To merge duplicate accounts, determine which account is the original. It should have a longer transaction history than the new account. In the Account Details view of the original account, click the three dots button on the top right and select Mark as Duplicate from the dropdown. Select the duplicate account from the list of accounts that appears, and a message will warn you that merging two accounts into one cannot be undone. If you'd like to continue, click Merge, type the word Merge in all capital letters, and click Confirm to complete the process. Monitor financial activity across all of your accounts in one place, and simplify the way you track your finances with the Accounts tool.